what's going on, you guys? In this video, I want to share 5 websites that you can start using so you can start earning money online. But before I get into this video, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just jump right into this video. So I'm going to be jumping over to my computer screen to show you these websites that I want to talk about. Okay guys, the first website that I want to talk about is called Shutterstock. Now, maybe most of you have heard about this website before, whether you've Googled images and seen pictures of what you were looking for with watermarks over them that say Shutterstock on them. Well, this is the website, Shutterstock. So what this is a stock footage website where you can make money by selling stock photos, stock footage, vector art, illustrations, music, icons. I mean, they have a whole bunch of different things that you can purchase as a customer or that you can make money from by selling the rights to as a contributor. Now, this website is a great way to earn a passive income because you can sell the same photo or the same footage, illustration over and over again to anybody that's willing to pay for it. So in order to become a contributor, we're going to come down here on the bottom, all the way in the bottom where it says sell content. And basically, in order to get started, you just click this button where it says get started. But if you want a little bit more information on how it works, it just has it laid out for you right here. It says produce high quality images and videos for our customers to download. You're going to then submit that content, whatever it is, whether it's footage, images, vector art, illustrations, and then you get paid every time your content is downloaded by one of their worldwide customers. Now, you can also earn even more money by referring new contributors and new customers. So I guess they have their own little affiliate program that they have going on right here. So I mean, if you guys are looking to earn a passive income by selling pictures, illustrations, footage, this is a great website right here. I recommend that you guys check it out if you're somebody who enjoys taking pictures or creating vector art or any of that other stuff. But I mean, you can just look around right here. I mean, it seems like a pretty cool website. There's a whole bunch of there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can buy from here to use for your blogs or your own videos or your own company or whatever you would need it for. To get started, you just click right here, get started, and then you're just gonna fill out your information. So I mean, I recommend you guys come and check it out if this is something that you would be interested in. Now, the next website that I want to talk about is called Fiverr. So this is a freelance website. So I'm pretty sure most of you have heard about this website already because, I mean, it's become pretty popular lately. So if you have certain skills that people need, then you can earn money by offering your services. So you can offer different services from graphics and design, digital marketing. You can write and translate, do video animation, business, music and audio. I mean, the list goes on and on. I mean, there's a whole bunch of other services that you can offer as a freelancer. So in order to get started, I mean, you just simply click right here where it says become a seller, and then it's going to explain how it works. You create a gig, you sign up, you create your account, and then you offer your work out to the audience that come to Fiverr for services. And then whenever somebody contacts you for an order, let's say you're offering video animation service, and you create your profile, and then you let people know that you're offering video animation. Whenever somebody contacts you and requests your service, you deliver the service, and then you get paid. And it says right here, payment is transferred to you upon order completion. So I mean, this is a pretty reliable website. You guys can check it out if you're interested in learning how to make money by freelancing. And if you guys don't know how to do any of these services, I mean, I would recommend that you take the time to learn one of these skills, because, I mean, this is a skill that you can use over and over again to make money for life, basically. So that's the second website, which is Fiverr. The next one is user testing. Now, this is a website that you can come to, and they pretty much pay you to go to different websites and test them out. So if you want to know how to get started, I mean, just come to usertesting.com, and right here where it says get paid to test, you're going to click on that, and then it breaks it down on how it works. First step is visit a website or an app. Second is complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and the third, you get paid. It's that simple. All you have to do is just enter in your email to sign up. And if you're wondering about how much you get paid, it breaks it down right here. You get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video that you complete. And then they just break it down again. They pay you for every website that you visit and you complete a set of tasks, and then you speak your thoughts out loud. And these right here are all the companies that have people come to their website through user testing to test out their websites. So I mean, this is a pretty reliable website right here. And if you're wondering what you need to get started, basically all you need is a computer with an internet connection and a microphone. Now, I mean, that's pretty much everybody has access to a computer with internet nowadays. And you need to be able to download their testing software. You need to be 18 years old at least and able to speak your thoughts aloud in English. And if you're wondering how much money you can make, it explains it right here. It won't make you rich, but I mean, it's some extra money coming in. So I mean, that tells you, I mean, that pretty much explains it right there. This is a great way to earn some side money. And they pay you via PayPal. And they explain that they pay you 7 days after completing a test. And right here it says, the waiting period allows them to ensure the quality of all recordings. So, I mean, if you're just going to go to random websites that they send you to and just like kind of BS the testing, I mean, they check up on that. And these are all the countries that user testing is available in. So, I mean, you got this whole long ass list right here. Click on one of these. United States and Canada. I mean, damn, where'd it go? Yeah. All of these countries, they offer this service in. And the sign up process is pretty simple. Enter in your email address on the page and you complete a sample test. So they're gonna give you a sample test to ensure that you're competent to complete the real test when you go to different websites. Then they're gonna take a few days to approve that sample test, and once you're approved, you can start testing. And I mean, that's pretty much it. So this is a great website that you can start to earn a few extra dollars in just by working from home. So I would recommend that to people who are just looking to make some side money. Now, the next website is called Teachable. So this is a great website to host online courses with. Now, this is another way that you can earn a passive income. So basically, you're going to create an online course. It can be a course about anything that you know people would be willing to pay money to learn that skill or knowledge. And you're going to create that course and upload it onto Teachable. So in order to get started, I mean, you can just simply click right here where it says create a course. You're going to enter in your information, and then you're going to create your school. But if you want to know how it works, you can just come down right here, and they explain it right here. Share your knowledge in 5 simple steps. So first step is you're going to create your course free. Second step, you're going to upload your content. And then third step is going to be make your school beautiful. So showcase a stunning school with your own branding. And then step 4 is engage your students. I mean, just simply give students, like, I guess, homework, as you would say, or communicate with them. You can email them to engage with your students. So so they feel like they get value from your course. And then you can also share your knowledge. So this is a great way to, if you're really passionate about teaching and helping people learn new things, and also earning a passive income. This is a great website to make money with. So I would recommend checking out this website if you're interested in making money online with Teachable. Now the next website is a website called TextBroker. Now this is only available in the United States as of right now. Maybe later on down the line it might be available in other countries, but it's only available in the US right now. So this is a website that pays you to write articles for them. You can also come to this website to get articles written for you. Let's say if you have a blog that you need articles written for, you can come to this website and have people write them for you, and then you pay them. So if you're wondering, these are all companies and websites that use TextBroker to have articles written for them. As you can see, TextBroker brings clients and authors together. So they're kind of like the Uber of articles. They connect people who are willing to write with the people who need articles written for them. And if you're wondering on how it works, you can come up to the top where it says I write content and click right here where it says how TextBroker works. And they break it down. Step 1, register for free and verify your US citizenship, because as I mentioned, this is only available in the US right now. And then you're going to submit a writing sample. So they're going to give you a writing sample. You complete that sample, and it's going to take a few business days for them to rate that writing sample, because the way this website works is that they pay you based off of your writing skill. The better you are at writing, the more that you get paid. So step 3 is get your rating. Step 4 is complete your author profile. And then step 5, you can start writing for cash. Now, if you're wondering how they rate you, it's going to be a star system. So you can click right here where it says star rating and profiles. And right here, they have their rating criteria. They rate you anywhere between 2 to 5 stars. They don't give you a 1-star rating because honestly, I don't think anybody wants to read that junk. But they break it down on how they rate you. So if you're constantly misspelling words, typos, missing words, or repeating words over and over again, they're going to give you a 2-star rating. If you're rarely doing that, they're going to give you a 5-star rating. So if you're wondering how they pay you, they break it down right here where it says payment. And right here, 2 stars is going to earn you 0.7 cents per word. 3-star rating is going to earn you 1 cent per word. And then if you look right here where it says 5-star, they pay you 5 cents per word. So that can add up pretty quickly. So just to give you guys an idea on how that would add up, you can come right here and they have a calculator. So let's say that you have a 2-star rating. For 1,000 words, you're going to get paid $7, which is, barely enough money to buy yourself some lunch. But if you have a 1,500 word article, you're going to get paid $10.50. If you're writing at a 3-star level, they're going to pay you $15 for that, which is not bad in my opinion, but it can be better. So that's why it's important, if you're serious about using this website to make money by writing articles, to improve your writing skills, because look how much they pay you if you're writing at a 5-star level. They pay you $75, which is a huge jump. If you're writing at a 4-star level, they pay you $21. Now the reason why I think there's a huge jump between the 4 and the 5-star rating is because most people aren't writing at a 5-star level, and people are willing to pay for excellent grammar, spelling, punctuations, and all that. So if you were to write a 2,000 word article at a 5-star level, you're going to be getting paid $100. I mean, you can easily write a 100-word article in about 45 minutes to an hour. So you can earn, if you're writing at this level, you can earn easily $100 per day through TextBroker. So I would recommend this website to anybody who enjoys writing and who's looking to make money with it. And in order to get started, I mean, it's pretty simple. Free author registration. They're going to take you through the process. You can choose to sign up as a client, where you're paying people to write articles for you, or you can choose to sign up as an author. So if you click on sign up as an author, it's going to redirect you to this page where you're going to fill out your information. Once you do that, it's going to and you click on sign up, they're going to give you a sample test where you're gonna submit a writing sample to them so they can grade your writing skills. And that's basically it. Once you get your star rating and you can start writing for money, the way it works is that they have a list of articles that you can choose from, and once you accept an article to write, they give you about 48 hours to complete that article. And once you do, you get paid, I believe, 7 days after. So it's kind of similar to user testing. So they take about 7 days to evaluate your the article that you wrote. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 websites to start earning money online. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these 5 websites. And like I mentioned, if you guys are interested in other methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.